A very good afternoon to all. So, how many of you have completed practical number 4? How many of you have completed practical number 4? Only 2 students so far. There were 17 queries to be executed. There were 19 queries, but you have to skip query number 17 and 19. Who is left to perform the practical number 4 along with the doc file? Who is still left to complete the doc file as well as the practical for implementation? Yes. Out of 15 students, there are only 9 students who have given the response. What about remaining 6? Okay, what is the update on practical number 5? How many of you have completed practical number 5? Complete all 75 queries along with its Word file. How many of you have completed practical number 5? Okay, how many of you have done up to 50? 50. How many of you have completed the practical number 5 up to 50? 50. So today your task is to complete practical number 5. Just open it and start doing. Open your practical list and start performing practical number 5. Start doing it. Start performing practical number 5. All the remaining queries that is left by you. You can start from joins. Complete all the queries till 75. Aditi, how many queries of practical 5 has been completed by you? Aditi, how many queries of practical 5 you have completed? Aditi, how many queries you have completed of practical number 5? Okay, Alai, what about you? Alai, Amit, how many queries? I am talking about practical number 5. Amit, how many queries? Bhavisha, Drashti, Drashti, Harsh, Harsh, Jeel, Karnavi, Jeel, how many queries? Keval, Man, Keval, Mohit, Naimish. Okay. Nandini, Nishita, Poojan, Shreyas and Yash. Okay, so continue with your queries and complete this practical by today. Start performing the queries. If you find any problem, any doubts, just raise it. So start performing the queries. All the remaining queries of practical number 5. That is your task. How many of you have completed the Oracle course, or how much percentage it is completed? One by one, starting from Aditi. Okay, Yash 10 sections, Aditi completed. Aditi, have you got the certificate? Okay, Nishita 97 percentage. What about others? Okay, good. Namish, Man completed. Okay, Jeel 80 percentage. Pujan completed. Shreyas 95 percentage. Mohit 10 sections. Okay. Others? Bhavisha, Drashti, your account is logged. Okay, let me just check it out. Drashti, Amit, Amit, what about you? Okay, fine. Try to complete that course by this September end. Again, I am saying you this. Try to complete that course by this September. Drashti, give me a WhatsApp message. I am giving you the new credentials. Drashti, just try to log in with the credentials and tell me whether it is working or not. Give me the confirmation. log into your academy and just check whether the credentials are working or not. Okay, Drashti. So now you can continue with your course. How much part you have completed so far? How much percentage of course you have completed so far? Okay, 75 percentage. Good. Right. So now you can continue with the queries that you are left with. મારા મોબાઈલનું ચાર્જર આપી જા. So anyone who can give me the answer of query number 51, those who have performed, let's say who has performed. Karnavi, can you give me the answer of query number 51? Just let me check. Check, Nishita. Give me a moment. Karnavi, give me the answer of query number 51. Nishita, do one thing. Try to re-upload your assignment. Try to just reopen your assignment. Try to resubmit your assignment. That will be done. Yeah. Yes, Karnavi, give me the answer of query number 51. As you have completed 53 queries, give me the answer of query number 51. Just paste your answer from your Word file. That would be okay. Karnavi, are you there? Karnavi or anyone else who wishes to give the answer of query number 51? Anyone who would like to give the answer of query number 51? Yes, Harsh, Yash, Meet, anyone? Nemish, Keval, anyone would like to give the answer of query number 51? Yash, can you give me the answer of query number 51? Okay, Keval has given the answer. Select C.CNAME from customer commas salesman S, where C.CNAME equals to S.SNAME. Very good. Perfect answer. Try to regenerate your Word file, copy it somewhere, and try to create a PDF file again, and then upload that PDF file. And then check whether it is getting uploaded or not. Meet, your assignment 2 is missing. Meet Rachadia. Okay, Meet is not there in the meeting. Dharamjit is also not there. Fine. Anyone who can try to give me the answer of query number 54? Write a query that produces all the customers serviced by a salesman with a commission above point 12. Output customer's name, salesperson's name, and salesperson's rate of commission. It's a simple query. If anyone would like to try this particular query. Other than Keval and Yash, anyone would like to try this query? Man, Nemish, Shreyas. Yes, Reyes, can you give me the answer of this query number 54? Shreyash? Shreyash, I am talking to you. Okay, Naimish has tried to give the answer. Okay, where c dot snum equals to s dot snum and s dot commission is greater than 0.12. Yeah, okay. But the answer won't be perfect because you can see snum and cnum, both the values are different. Then how you will compare? Okay, Nisha, do one thing. Just email me your assignment number 2. I will check it out. Okay, Naimish. You need to connect the salesman and customer table via orders table because order table contains both the columns snum as well as cnum, if you can check. So for 54th query you need to connect via order table. You cannot directly connect salesman and customer table. So now write down the exact query again. So you need to connect via orders both the tables, salesman as well as customer table. Yes, now it is correct, Naimish. Now it is exactly correct. So as I already said in the last to last lab that whenever you don't have exact or direct relationship between two tables, you need to find the relationship via some third or fourth table. So always remember, you cannot directly compare the columns if they are not same. Yash, can you give me the answer of query number 58? I want the answer of query number 58. Yash. Query number 58. Just let me check. Yeah, okay. Then you can relate directly. Okay. Then your query was something wrong if you check. You compared like C dot snum. Okay, okay. That was my mistake from my side. Fine. Fine, fine, fine. That was my misunderstanding in the table. Yeah, your query, first query is correct. Namish. So Nishita, have you submitted again your assignment? Yes, Nishita, I have received your assignment. Yeah, I have received it. Thank you. Select star from order where C name equals to Piyush. Let me just check it out. Where is the C name? There is no customer called Piyush. We are talking about a salesman. You need to extract all the orders that a Piyush has taken. So if you see your salesman table, you have a Piyush as name. And if you go to the orders, you just need to check and compare what no, the S num of Piyush with the order numbers S1001. So you need to again join the tables. You will get three outputs. It should be order 3011, order 303, 3003 and order 3008. This should be the output. So now think how you will join the two tables and get the output. I want the exact answer. Yes. Just need to join. You need to join the tables. That's it. You can select O dot onum comma O dot amt comma O dot odate from order O comma salesman S, where S dot snum equals to O dot snum and S dot name equals to Piyush. That is what you should write. You just need to join and provide the conditions. Shreyash, can you give the answer again? Shreyash, for query number 58. Shreyash, Mohit, can you try the query number 58? Mohit, try query number 58. Mohit, Mohit, I want the answer of query number 58. Yeah, good, Keval. That is the right answer. You used subquery, right? I want the answer using join now. Mohit, give me the answer using join. Mohit, give me the answer using join. Sure. Okay. Select star from order 1, comma salesman S, where O dot snum equals to S dot snum and S dot snum equals to Piyush. Whenever you are using star, right, Okay, that would run, no issues at all. Fine. Okay, right answer. Amit, Amit Yadav, Amit Yadav, give me the answer of query number 62. Give me the answer for query number 62. Produce the name and rating of all customers who have rating more than the average rating. Whose rating are more than the average rating. You need to use sub query. That is what I can give you a hint. Aditi and Alay. Also, you can try the answer of query number 62 along with Amit. Alay and Aditi. Alay and Amit and Aditi. Try to give me the answer of query number 62. Sure, Amit. Use the concept of subquery. Alay, Aditi, Bhavisha and Harsh, Bhavisha and Harsh. Okay, Harsh, your answer is correct, but see the question. You need to give the answer of, you need to find out or fetch the name and rating of all customers. So your first part of the query is quite incorrect. Second part is correct. So change your query accordingly. Okay, next, Bhavisha, try to give me the answer of query number 64. Bhavisha and Drusty, try to give me the answer of query number 64. Bhavisha and Drusty, try to give me the answer of query number 64. Bhavisha and Drusty, give me the answer of query number 64. Bhavisha and Drusty, you together can give the answer of query number 64. Keval, try the query number 65. Keval, give me the answer of query number 65. Okay, good, Amit. Yeah, that is right. You can fetch CNUM, rating, both of them. You need to fetch both of them, Amit. So that is okay. Fine. Man, Man and Poojan. Man and Poojan. Give me the answer of query number 67. Man and Poojan together. Give me the answer of query number 67. Yeah, Bhavisha 64, Bhavisha and Drusty, and Keval 65. Yeah, I'm awaiting the answers from Bhavisha, Man, Drashti and Pujan. Bhavisha, you have to use substring, sorry, subquery, and you have to also use not in operator. This is a tip that I can give you. Okay, Keval has given the answer of 65. Keval, after rating you written comma. Comma is not required first of all. Just try to paste this query in your Oracle, whether it is working. It looks perfect, but I have some doubt. Just paste this in your Oracle, Apex, and try to remove comma after rating in both the statements. Select CNUM, CT, rating, and just write down high rating and low rating one by one. Yeah, Bhavisha and Drashti, Man and Pujan. Select star from customer where rating not in. Select city where okay. Bhavisha, there is a small mistake. See, Select all customers whose rating doesn't match with any rating of customers of St. John's, right? So first of all, first part is your right. Select star from customer where rating non in, not in. So now if you see, look at your query, your rating is going to get compared with whatever the answer this bracket query is going to give you, right? And in that you fetch the city. So rating and city cannot be compared. So what you will do, you have to write down like this: select star from customer where rating not in, into bracket, select rating from customer where city equals to St. John's. So instead of city you have to fetch rating. That's it. Clear? Because you are comparing rating here, rating not in. So here output should get rating somehow. The inner query should be giving rating as an output somehow. Yeah, just a moment, Poojan. Let me just read the question. Find out all the customers having rating greater than any customer in Rome. Okay. Select star from customer where rating greater than. Select max rating from customer where city equals to Rome. Poojan, again you have not understood the question properly. See, read the question. Find all customers having rating greater than any customer in Rome. So the greater than part should be in the first part, right? So you just need to find out, select star from customer where rating is greater than, select rating from customer where city equals to Rome. No need of aggregate function max. No need of aggregate function max. Right? So this is what your mistakes were, Poojan and Bhavisha. Else your query you understood it properly. That is not an issue. Okay. So it is working, right? Good. If it is working then. So query number 65, Keval has already pasted. Okay, let me get one more team. Naimish and let's say Naimish and Jill. Just give me the answer of query number 71. Naimish and Jill, give me the answer of query number 71. Naimish and Jill, give me the answer of query number 71. Naimish and Jill, are you there? Okay, so try the answer of query number 71. Yeah. So probably we have discussed all types of queries right now, as of now. Set the ratings of all the customers of Piyush to 400. So wherever there is Piyush salesman number, you have to change that rating to 400. Yeah, it's a simple query. Naimish and Jill, any update on your answers? Update customer, set rating equals to 400, where c dot snum equals to, select s dot snum from salesman S, where upper snum equals to Piyush. Why you used upper? No need of using upper. That is the mistake of the question. You just need to write down the Piyush in the small case. Don't worry. So update customer, set rating equals to 400. That is okay. Where c dot snum equals to, yeah, probably right. Just try to execute the same query in your Apex. It looks good or correct. Just execute it once in your Apex. Yeah. Okay, update customers, set rating equals to 400, where cnum equals to s dot sname from salesman, where name equals to Piyush. Yes, okay, Jill. Try to copy the same answer and paste it in your Oracle and check whether it is working or not. So one by one, give me the consent. How many queries you have completed so far? Starting from Aditi. How many queries you have completed, Aditi, till now? Aditi, How many queries you completed? Alay, Amit, Bhavisha, Drashti, Harsh, Jill, Karnavi, Keval, Man, Mohit, Naimish, Nandini, Nishita, Poojan, Shreyash. Yes, Naimish, it will give you the answer as two rows updated, because if you see your customer table, there are two rows which has S num equals to S1001. That is the S num of salesman. So there will be two rows updated. Yes, it is right. So you got your mistake. What was the mistake in your query and now the query that you have written so far? Have you got the mistake? Yes. You need to write down update customer space C. Right? So Jill, just check the answer of Naimish. That is the right answer now. And check your answer. Something is incorrect. Jill, how many queries Jill you have completed so far? Okay. Okay, continue with your queries now. If you find any doubts or any question you are not able to understand, just give me a chat, give me your query in your chats. Any problems in any of the queries? Anyone? Are you able to complete or perform the queries? Yes, students, are you able to perform the queries? Yes or no? Are you able to perform the queries? Yes or no, students? Okay. Yeah, what is the answer of query number 57? What will be the answer of query number 57? That is, list all salesmen who are living in the same city without duplicate rows. Without duplicate rows. So what will be the answer of that? Anyone? List all the salesmen who are living in the same city without duplicate rows. Yes, anyone who can give the answer of this? Yes, anyone? Keval, Chil, Nemish, Sreyash, yes, anyone from the list of students who can try this query. What will be the answer of query number 57? What will be the answer of query number 57, guys? Anyone who can give me the answer? List all salesmen who are living in the same city without duplicate rows. Anyone? Any one of you? I will be creating a Google Classroom of practical 4 and 5 maybe by today or by end of this week. So try to complete all the things and need to upload practical 4 and 5 one by one over there. You will be given a long deadline, so not an issue, but try to complete it as soon as possible. Then we can go for some extra practicals and revision of all the topics of practical sessions. So complete practical 4 and 5 lately by next week. That is what I'm expecting from you all. Right?